Do you know Fante numerals? Most YouTube channels have tried their best with Fante numerals, but most of them got the spellings wrong. In this video lesson, I'm going to take you through Fante numerals. Yes, plus the correct spelling for each numeral. This is the first of the subsequent numerals video lessons we'll be making available on the channel. In this lesson, we are focusing on number 1 to 10, Fante numerals. Stay with me, I'll be right back. I hate wasting your time. Let's get started. 1. Quer. 2. Ebien. 3. Ebasa. Please note that 3 is spelled Ebiasa, as you see on your screen, but with the Fante dialect pronunciation, we pronounce 3 Ebasa. So the pronunciation is different from the spelling. Note that, very important. 4. Anan. 5. Enum. 6. Esia. 7. Eson. This number is also the name of the seventh born of the Fante people. So you hear someone called Kwesi's son, Kojoe's son, and that it means the seventh born. Eson is the name, Eson is the numeral. So there is a slight difference with the pronunciation. The name is Eson, and the numeral is Eson, the same spelling. 8, Awotwe. 9, Akron. 10, Do. This is where I end the first Fante numeral lesson. If you do not pay attention to other subsequent lessons on numerals, then this will be useless. Next on the channel, we are making available numeral lessons for 11 to 20. Be sure to catch up with that lesson when it becomes available on the channel. I believe I've given you ample reason to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. You may want to subscribe to the channel as we keep learning this wonderful dialect, Fante. The name is Ochechrenyi Apiamensa, a professional Fante dialect teacher with many years of teaching this dialect. Until we meet again here on the channel, see you once again. Bye-bye.